Good morning. Today we are going to talk about the USP or the main highlight of the integrated approach. The main motto why we three doctors came together and are working together as a team is our motto is together we can. And our main motive is minimal use of medication. So for example, if a case, has just anxiety, and it is simple anxiety because of a stress, in the background, or anxiety related to, poor lifestyle measures, or just anxiety because the person has lost his job, all these things. This kind of a patient will be put on simple homeopathic remedies which will help him sail through his anxiety. We all three will sit and discuss, but we will hold the allopathic medication till the time the homeopathic medicines are showing effect. And if a case is just simple, indigestion, indiscretion from eating, we will give him food counseling. Only dietary counseling will hold both allopathic and homeopathic medication. We don't like to use our medications till they are actually needed, and we see to it that the patient gets back to the track on its own, and you don't need to use too much of drugging there. But if a case has severe infection, acute infection, and we see complications that could be coming in soon, we immediately put him on suitable antibiotics. So the internal medicine specialist, Dr. Ruby Bansal, will prescribe suitable antibiotics, supplements, suitable investigations are done. And if a case needs only homeopathy, I'm the homeopath, Dr. Priya Kapoor, we will use homeopathic advice, we'll give homeopathic medicines. Sometimes we use both the medicines to accelerate the process and boost the immune system. And diet obviously is always there. Our clinical nutritionist, Dr. Deepika Kohli, will see to it that the diet aids in the recovery, and the recovery is permanent. So our USP is together we can. This is a rare combination. If you want to enjoy the benefits of this kind of an approach where all the three doctors are like-minded, want to work together on one patient, want to see to it that minimum medicine is being used, this is the place to come. Do contact us as soon as possible. Jai Hind.